it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be checking out these colored pencil postcards. So I was clearing out my art supplies when I came across this cool thing. It's by, what brand is this? Okay, wait, no, the brand is A Portable Studio. It's basically a kit that allows you to make postcards. I mean, it comes with postcards and you can color on them with colored pencil. This is several years old, but I think it looks really cool. So I'm gonna check out, see what's inside, see if there's actually anything inside here or if I just saved the box. So it looks like this obviously has been used a little bit. We've got colored pencils here, and they've got postcards here. And they're by Strathmore, so they should be of a pretty good quality. And then on this side, we have the colored pencils. I think I've got everything. Is this the instruction booklet? Yeah! Yeah, a little bit of color theory, a little bit of shading, textures and techniques. Cool! So we've got 9 colored pencils. That's a weird number for colored pencils, and there's no white, which is kind of annoying, but it looks like there's also a pencil sharpener. And I'm gonna set this off to the side. Before we even start with the fun part, I think I'm gonna swatch all the colored pencils just to see what colors we've got. And they're very light. I don't feel any waxy texture, although I'm sure this is wax-based pencil. Well, it's weird that they would include 3 shades of red and 2 shades of blue, but no white. I don't know, that seems kind of strange. Here's the postcard. We've got a big space here to write and then a good spot here to draw. So let me brainstorm for a little bit and I'll come back to you when I have an idea. Alright, so after messing around on the internet and looking for inspiration as well as getting distracted, I think I finally found what I want to draw. It's gonna be a fish because I wanted to do mermaid, but I explained my whole mermaid situation in the last video. But it's not gonna be like a fish in the middle, it's gonna be like the head of a fish here and then the tail of a fish here, as if it were like one of those scrolly night lights people had as a kid. I don't know, did anyone have those? I'll put up a picture on screen. I had one. It was cool. But yeah, that's the look I'm going for. Alright, so the basic sketch is down, now it's time to add some color. And I'm gonna outline this whole thing with black. Alright, that doesn't look too bad. Now, I get to add color with all of these, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of sad about because I wanted to use my watercolors, but that's alright. Oh my gosh, these colored pencils, I can't blend with them at all, which is really kind of annoying, but we'll make it work. It was probably not the best idea to do the line art with the black colored pencil, just because it's kind of mixing with the other colors, but that's alright. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the little face here with the fins. Ooh, and then maybe I'll make the belly kind of green to go with the lips that are going on over here. I really don't know what I'm doing, I'm just kind of winging it, which I don't know how I feel about doing that with art. Like, in some cases I'm like, yeah, just throw color on the paper, like I'm doing now. And other times I'm like, no, you have to painstakingly plan your color scheme and know exactly where the colors are gonna go. But today, I'm just feeling like winging it and throwing things out there. And so far, I haven't made too detrimental of a choice for colors, so I say we just keep going. The greens and like especially the kind of weird colors like these ones, they're very not pigmented. They're very pastel, like unintentionally pastel. And I'm having to press kind of hard to get any pigment to come off onto the paper. That's not too bad. Now I'm going to go on probably to the top fins, just finish this up. Then I have to figure out what I'm going to put here. I might put some red. Ooh, you know what? I just had an idea. I'm gonna do kind of a reverse gradient here where this goes yellow to red and here it's gonna go red to yellow. Alright, so the front of the fish is done. Part of me feels like I need to blend this out a little bit more. This part right here with the blue, that looks a little bit better. Time to move on to the back of the fish. I just realized that I'm working with pretty blunt colored pencils, so I sharpened the kind of robin egg one, the teal, and it's honestly not working any better, but I thought it might for whatever reason. The front of the postcard is done. I'm gonna leave the back for another time in case I ever do actually mail this out. The supplies that you get in this aren't the best. These aren't the best colored pencils ever, but the Strathmore paper is actually, it's alright. There is some weird texture, I don't know if you can see, just in general, which makes me think this might be not colored pencil paper and more watercolor paper, so I'd be interested in trying this again with my watercolors just to see how that turned out as opposed to how this turned out with the colored pencils. But anyway guys, that is all for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button and notification bell to be alerted every time we post a new video. Comment down below your thoughts. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye!